Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you all guys? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video I am going to show you 40 plus Burlap Wreath ideas. So don't go anywhere guys, stay with me and keep watching my videos. If you are a new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video, you will see different types of Burlap Wreaths for every holiday and season. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button. Once you have styled your porch and mantle for fall, it's time to show your front door a little love. Too good? Country Burlap Wreath is the easiest way to dress up your entryway for the season. Burlap Wreaths are the ideal front door decoration. They are super simple to make. They are inexpensive and require only a couple of supplies. And they are seasonless. If you make a basic wreath with some burlap ribbon, you have got the perfect base to then add favorite seasonal touches. For autumn, we love the use of foliage, flowers and crops in festive colors of red, yellow and orange. When winter comes, you can add some ornaments and string lights. When spring begins to bloom, add some flowers to plastic Easter eggs. And when summer arrives, deck it out with patriotic elements for the 4th of July. Here are some of our favorite ideas. So guys, greet your guests with this welcoming chalkboard clad piece. Customize it for your home by swapping out the wheat for another seasonal crop for the farmer's market. Flower wreath, while it's guaranteed to look gorgeous on your front door. These red stick wreaths also work above your fireplace, on mirrors or windows. Plate wreath. Choose a ribbon that complements your decor or option for something bright to add a pop of color to your porch. I really hope that you'll like these designs and these ideas. So please guys, don't go anywhere. Stay with me and keep watching my videos. In my next video, I will show you more ideas about Burlap Wreath for beginners, for fall Burlap Wreath and much more designs. If you like this video, then please share my videos as much as you can. You can also share my videos at Facebook, Google Plus and Instagram and etc. So I really hope that you enjoyed my video and love my video. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Please do remember me in your prayers and my family. I will be back soon with my new collections, with my new ideas. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. I will be back soon with my new ideas, with my new collection. Keep watching my videos and please share my videos as much as you can. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.